Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering station on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's Mentop, check the description box below. Number 5. Yihua 995D Plus Soldering Station. The Yihua 995D Plus is a powerful soldering station with a maximum power output of 750 W, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. It features a dual functionality, a heat gun and a soldering iron, providing versatility for various soldering jobs. The heat gun has a brushless fan soft wind system for precise temperature control, while the soldering iron has a temperature range of 200 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade for precision. Both have an LCD display for precise temperature adjustments, ensuring high-quality soldering joints. The ergonomic design of the soldering station, with a handle length of over 100 centimeters, ensures comfortable handling and maneuverability. The LCD display is intuitive and easy to read, making it suitable for both professional technicians and enthusiasts. Number 4. Sugen T3602 Soldering Station. The Sugen T3602 soldering station is a versatile tool with high-powered performance, versatile voltage compatibility, precise temperature control, exceptional stability, and reliable grounding. It has a powerful 240 W power consumption, allowing for rapid heating and sustained performance in soldering projects. The station can accommodate both AC 110V and AC 220V power sources at 50-60 Hz, making it suitable for various regions or specific voltage requirements. The T3602 also offers precise temperature control between 200-450, 212 degrees F 842 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring effective use of various soldering materials and components. Its exceptional temperature stability of ±2 ensures consistent heat throughout soldering tasks. The T3602's low tip-to-ground resistance and minimal tip-to-ground potential ensure secure connections, preventing electrical mishaps and promoting smooth workflow. Number 3. Yihua 853AAA 863 Soldering Station. The Yihua 853AAA 863 soldering station is a versatile tool for soldering projects. It offers precise temperature control with a preheating area that adjusts from 50 to 400 Celsius, making it suitable for various materials. The 120 x 120 mm heating area provides ample space for comfortable work, ensuring consistent results. The hot air gun, with a temperature adjustment range of 100 to 480 Celsius, is powerful and durable, with a brushless motor fan and 120 V min airflow. The soldering iron, with a temperature adjustment range of 200 to 480 Celsius and a 60 W heating element, handles various tasks with confidence. The temperature correction feature ensures stable temperatures, eliminating fluctuations and preventing rework due to temperature inconsistencies. Number 2. DSUNYK 863 Soldering Station. The DSUNYK 863 Soldering Station is a user-friendly and customizable tool designed to cater to specific needs. It offers impressive temperature control for both the preheat plate and soldering iron, allowing for a wide range of projects. The hot air gun, with a maximum airflow of 120 Lmin, is ideal for heat dissipation tasks on delicate electronic components. The soldering station is CE certified, ensuring compliance with international safety standards. Originating from mainland China, this durable tool is a testament to the region's quality craftsmanship. The station's sturdy build ensures durability, making it a reliable tool for years of use. Overall, the DSUNYK 863 soldering station is a versatile and efficient tool for soldering projects. Number 1. AFIN A9 Pro Soldering Station. The AFIN A9 Pro is a versatile soldering station with impressive power output of 120 W, suitable for various tasks, including delicate electronic circuits and larger projects. It can handle universal AC 220V and AC 110V power supply configurations, maintaining stable performance, even with minor fluctuations in power supply. Operating at a frequency of 50 Hz 60 Hz. It offers a wide temperature range from 100 degrees centigrade to 450 degrees centigrade, allowing for versatile soldering applications. The compact and ergonomic design of the A9 Pro ensures easy handling and maneuverability, making long soldering sessions less frustrating. It is compatible with 210 115 245 470 tips, allowing for detailed and intricate work. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.